Mm, 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 mm. I might as well take a cute picture, you know. Ooh, ooh, ooh. That was blurry. Will you look at that? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. brandi.b here. I don't know if you could tell or not, but in today's video we're going to be doing eyebrows. I often, frequently, my most asked question, I get mostly asked about my eyebrows all the time. Like, if I go to the shop to get them done, if some days, like, I guess I have my eyebrows done so good, people be thinking I have them microbladed, which I've never ever gotten. And what type of products do I use on my eyebrow? So right now, as you can see, I'm just natural, you know, it's all natural. I think I look a little crazy. I don't know if you can tell or not, but I think I look a little crazy. But we are going to fill in the brows today. So if you want to see how you fill in, or how I fill in my eyebrows, and you know you want to learn some tricks or some little tips from me, then make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and also the little notification bell so you'll know when I upload. So yes, let's get into the video. Okay, so what I recently grabbed out of Sephora was the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. And this is in the color Ebony. So this is what I like to use for my eyebrow, because not only is, well, I like a pencil, but I also like the style of the pencil. I like how the pencil basically mimics a eyebrow hair. So, my eyebrows are, I'm not going to say they're freshly waxed, but they are not bad and growing like how they normally would be. And normally I would never do my eyebrows like after I've done a whole face. So this is something different as well, but I'm sure it's going to turn out the same. Had to scoot in so you can see. um, First, where I'm going to start, the way you can measure is from the inner part of your eye. You can just take your pencil or whatever brush that you're using and just line it up with the beginning part of your eye. Wherever that is, you would mark it, and that's where you would start. Okay, as you can see. And the great part about this is it's double-sided. So it comes with a spoolie on the end where I can just take it and just brush upward. Or how you know where to stop is you'll take your pencil, slant it, because your eye is like a slant mostly, and you line it up and you see it stops perfectly right there. So that's where you will also line it up at to stop. And I'm going to do my other eyebrow so you can see. So I'm going to take my pencil, line it up, and I mark it. You outline your brow. And me, I like more of a of an Instagram brow. So mine will be filled in really well and cleaned up on the top and the bottom. Taking my spoolie and I'm cleaning up. So the product won't look so concentrated in one area. As you can see, it doesn't go past my brush. Well, my pencil. Okay, now if you are this type of person, you can go ahead, clean it up a little bit. Take you a nice flat brush, or a brush that is thin enough that can, and precise enough that can clean under your brow or however. But if, like I was saying, if you want to stop right here, you definitely can stop right here and just have the filled in look. But not me, sis. I'm gonna take it a step further, okay? And I'm going to take my concealer. I'm going to take my concealer and clean under my brow. I'm going to take my LA Pro Girl concealer in the color Cool Tan and my LA Pro Girl concealer in the color Fawn. Fawn will be used at the top because it's a color that's more of my tone, and Cool Tan will be put at the bottom because I want a more highlighted look. So as you can see, and I'm going to take Cool Tan first because I like to clean up under first. I'm going to take Cool Tan and I'm going to clean up under my brow. Being sure to never go higher, than you need to. You want to keep everything as neat as possible. See? Oh, I'm proud of that. I am proud of that. And I'm going to go over to my next brow and fill that in. Well, clean it up, I'm sorry. Now remember, eyebrows are sisters. They're not twins. So they don't have to look the same. Taking Fawn and I'm going to clean up the top. Okay. Ta-da! Well, will you look at that? Then next, I'm going to use my NYX Tinted Brow Mascara. Just basically like to set it and also, bring a little color back to it. So I just take this and just go over it. So it'll basically just put my brow hairs in place. This is optional as well. If you feel like you're done after you fill them in and clean them up, you can definitely just be done. I don't do this all the time, only when I do full beat faces. And yeah, you guys, this is pretty much how I do my brows. Hey guys, this is the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope it was really informative, and I hope you guys can use some of my tips and tricks and, you know, implement them in your daily eyebrow routines or makeup routine. Okay, these glasses. These glasses are from a company called Firmoo. They got in touch with me last month and sent me some free glasses. These are it. And they was like, hey, review them. So, so that's what I'm doing. Um, they are really cute. I like gold. So anything that's gold, it catches me. I don't know if you can see I got gold. And even like the on my diamond earring, like this part is gold. So I like gold. This is what caught me, and I was just like, I'm getting these. I'm definitely getting these. I just want to say thank you to the company Firmoo for even considering me or even asking me to do a review. Thank you so much. You guys were really nice. The company overall was just really good. And if you want some glasses like mine, they do have plenty other selections. These glasses are non-RX, so they're not prescription. And yeah, if you want to get you some glasses like this, if you're a new customer, which I'm sure all of you mostly are if you've never purchased, you can go on the website and purchase you some glasses. Your first pair will be $4.95, so make sure you go check that out. Okay, so I had to come back with the correct facts because I was really just going off my brain. But these are really good, sturdy glasses. Like, these glasses are not like the cheap glasses. Like, these are some really good glasses. They came in a cute little case holder like this. They come with a wipe and also a little bag. So you can see. They're really good glasses, you guys. Like, really good. They're really good. They're really sturdy. Like, they're not bad glasses at all. The lens type that I have is the FBOM. It's FBOM 1781, and then it's C6. So these glasses are non-RX, like I said, which means they're not prescription. The lens standard is 1.5. You can get a different lens type. These with the special features that came with these glasses is that they're anti-scratch, anti-reflective, and radiation. Yeah, like I said, these are really good cheap glasses. Like, you get what you pay for basically. So if you want some really good glasses, go to Firmoo and get you some glasses. It's about to be springtime, especially here in Michigan, so make sure you stock up on some glasses. So make sure you guys go check that out and look into it because this is really good. I wouldn't give you anything that's bull crap. So I've had other offers to do as a first review and I turned them down. This was one of the ones that I chose. So like I said, I would not give you anything that is bull crap. Make sure you go on Firmoo and you check them out and say I sent you, you know. They didn't send me a coupon code because the special offer was that you guys go in there and purchase your first pair of glasses for $5. Like, you cannot beat that. You can't beat it. Go and get you some glasses. Again, thank you so much to Firmoo for even giving me this chance to, you know, to be on YouTube and feel like a real YouTuber. So I'm really just stoked. Like, I'm really happy that I was even able to do this. Go on the website, get you some glasses. Thank you so much again to Firmoo, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out, hit the notification bell, and comment if you love me. Comment. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.